this is Bonnie. Welcome to my channel Bonnie's One Step Ahead. And today we are going to discuss something which we should all do after this pandemic coronavirus gets over. And that is, we all individuals should help our own country to improve its economy. And yes, we all can do it. It all completely depends upon us. Due to this pandemic coronavirus, we all know that all the countries in the world, economic is hit so hard. The economic level is really going down, and this is quite dangerous. All the manufacturing factories, import export, so many things are all hampered. No production is made. The economy is coming down. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss some tips which, if we all follow, can help to rise our country's economic condition. So let's get started. After lockdown, we will all plan to go to some places. We will all plan to visit our trips. But we should all remember that we should visit within our country. In this way, we can support so many businesses. There are so many lovely places in our own country, in the country where we live. And while traveling in our own country, we can support so many interlinked businesses. That is, we can support our trains and buses, then the local vendors, the cleaners, then local tour guides, and so many interlinked businesses. So at least for some months, in order to improve our own country's economic system, we should travel in our own country. So many places are there in our own country that is yet to explore. I know many of us has already planned their travel after the lockdown. They are planning to visit abroad. Yes, abroad we can always visit. The whole life is there. But at least for a few months, we can do this for our own country, for improving our own country's economy. Coming to the next point, that is restaurants. After this lockdown, we are all waiting when this lockdown will get open and we will rush to restaurant to have food. Here also, we can support our own country and help to raise the country's economy. How? We need to eat at local restaurants where they produce local and fresh homemade food. Instead of visiting to brands outlets, we are all used to brand outlets, but please let us also support the economy by having traditional foods in the countries or in the places, local restaurants. The local restaurants are also so good. They offer us fresh foods and so many traditional foods. So why don't we try? The branded restaurants are always there and they will be there forever, and their economy is very, very strong. So we need to support the local businesses so that our locality, our town, our city, our country gets improved. And when we are visiting a place, as I have discussed in my previous point, that we'll be surely visiting places, make sure that we eat in local eateries. The local eateries, we can try the local cuisines and it's fun. And now coming to the next point, when we visit a place, obviously we have to stay somewhere, and what we do, we try to book star hotels or branded hotels. Don't do it. Please don't do it. There are so many good resorts, cottages, so why don't you try them? These local cottages and resorts. They are run by so many families and small tourist companies, which if we stay there, this will in turn help our country. And if our country's economic growth is improved, who will be benefited? Of course we. So we can always try to stay in the local cottages and resorts which are run by small tourism companies. Coming to groceries and vegetables. These are very basic things. We all require to do our groceries, vegetables while going to chain supermarkets. Instead of that, there are small local shops where we can get groceries as well as freshly produced locally fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, everything. And yes, whatever items you are not getting in the local shops, you can always go in the supermarkets. But please help these small businesses, these small organizations to grow. Without our help, they won't be able to survive. We should think of everything, and we can also buy super fresh vegetables from organic shops. Organic shops are wonderful. They are good for our health also, as well as we can support our own country's economy. So let's try doing it. It's not difficult. I know we are always attracted towards the chained supermarkets, towards the big brand names. But instead of that, we can always try to go to buy the same thing. Suppose you are buying potato. The potato quality will be same as you get in supermarkets and the small shops. So why not support the small local shops? We have to please make this a point. And this will in turn help so many businesses again together. It's a chain process. The farmers who harvest the foods for us, it is because of the farmers' hard work that we are getting so many wonderful fruits, vegetables, cereals. So we need to support them. And there are many small shops which are run by 2-3 families or a small organization, and sometimes the farmers also tend to run their small shops where we can get absolute fresh fruits, vegetables, everything. So we should also support them. Coming to buying dresses. It's been months that we did not do any shopping, and we are just waiting for the lockdown to get over. Once the lockdown gets over, we are planning, we'll go this place, we will eat this, we will buy this. Yes, of course, even I am also planning. But here also, we can support our economy. How? We need to buy the made in your country's brand. Suppose for French people, made in France. For British, made in England. For India, made in India. So this I am giving just example. I am not telling anything country specific. So please try to buy the things that are produced, the clothes that are produced in your own country. Imported garments are always there, and yes, they will be attracting us, and we should always try, in order to support the weavers, we should try to buy handloom things and clothes like khadi, and handmade jewelry is also available. They are also made by local organizations, and we should also support the cottage industries. During this lockdown, all the fairs in all over the world has come to a stop. So many fairs happen every time, and these are all stopped. And did we ever think that in this fair, so many families, they tend to earn their livelihood. But now they are sitting. So after this lockdown gets over, if the fares are coming, please try to buy from their stalls. Please try to have your food also from there. Try to buy something, even if it's a bit costly. Please make it a point to buy from there instead of buying the same thing from a big shopping mall. Please don't do it. And also we may require to buy some like home decorative items. So these also you'll be getting in cottage industry types shops, small shops, local shops, the shops which sell locally produced items, the shops which sell products that are made, that are produced in your own country. So these points, if we all keep them in mind, this will, and if we follow all of us, automatically our individual countries' economic system will get improved, which is very, very important. The world economy has fallen and we all require these things to follow to help it improve. So enjoy, travel, buy things, eat outside, but please from your own country's produce. So guys, if you like this video, please give a like and write in the comment what is your opinion about today's topic and what are you thinking that how can we contribute to improve our country's economic system. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos. Stay well, stay safe, stay indoors, enjoy after the lockdown, and plan also that way you will be traveling but within your country. Please, this is a request, and we all, if we follow, we are only improving our country's economy. So guys, stay well, stay safe, bye, enjoy, have a nice day.